Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to have you here attending my talk. The subject of this talk is around the quality of experience. So as Patricia, the chairman, has read, I have worked on social IoT, and hopefully some of you have read some of the papers in the field of social IoT. But this afternoon, I won't be talking about social IoT. I'll be talking about the other subject, quality of experience, which is somehow related. Quality of experience, let me recall the definition of quality of experience. I don't know how many of you have worked in the field of quality of experience. None of you, or some of you may have heard of it. Anyway, quality of experience is defined by the construction QualiNet, and is the degree of delight or annoyance of the user when using an application or a service. We are talking about digital service and applications. And it depends on the expectations of the user. So whether the user should find an utility in the application which is using for a working experience, or whether the user is using an application service just for enjoyment. So the quality of experience depends on this utility and enjoyment. And it depends also on the user personality and the current state of the user. So it means that each one of us would find a different level of experience when using a digital application and service. And this is influenced by some factors, which are called influence factor, which are the factors that somehow contribute to the creation of our experience in our psychological process. So we do have a very fast and slower process through which the quality of experience is created. And it depends on this influence factor, which could be human influence factor, so something that describe our status now or our profile, whether we are a rich person or not, whether we have some interest in sport, technologies, or whatever. And system influence factor, which are those that describe the system we are deploying to provide the services to the final user. And clearly, as an engineer, I'm interested mostly on this system influence factor, like the network, the terminal, the servers, and the context influence factors, which are the parameters that describe the context where the user is using the service and the applications. Quality of experience is very important when designing, deploying, and managing the services provided to the final user. That's the reason my laboratory is called a Network for Humans, because we always look at the human, and we try to understand what is the impact of any service provided to the final user. Here is an example. Here, this architecture is showing a service, HTTP